In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change pen nib Wacom. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you notice that the nib of your pen is drawn out and it is getting too short, it is easy to have it replaced. Usually, anytime that you purchase something from Wacom, there will be a bunch of included replacements like these ones. But of course, you can purchase them separately if you notice that yours does not include these replacements. If you are unsure where they are stored, check the box or the manual. So the main way to do this is going to be with this ring tool. If it is included with your device, you will be able to use this round metal nib removal tool to remove your pen nib. If this tool is not included, you can use a built-in nib removal tool. So basically, for this tool, all that you have to do is pinch it against the nib and then push it out. So you will be able to put the nib right here, clamp it together on both of these sides, and then push it out. Once you push the nib out, it is going to come out fully like this, and you can insert a new one with your fingers. There's no secret to this. You just put it into the hole and then drag it all the way down to the bottom. Like I said, if yours does not include this metal ring, you can use built-in nib removal tools. There are a lot of ways to do this. One of them is going to be right underneath here. So many devices will have options to remove it. So on the bottom of the pen stand, see if you can find it here. Next, you will have all of these other options. On the removable pen holder attached to the side of your device, underneath one of the built-in stand legs, inside of the pen by removing this back portion, as you can see here, and then inside of the pen holder. So just like the ring method, all that you have to do is put the nib in that and then drag it out, and you will be able to have it removed. Then just grab a replacement with your fingers and put it inside of the hole that is made when you remove the old one. I hope I was able to help you on how to change pen nib Wacom. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.